here we are on the 29th of September 2009, and it's Mabel's birthday, and we're making her a special spinach and feta pie. And Margarita's not feeling too well. She's had a big 4 years preparing for an international conference that she's just had. It's just finished yesterday. She's worn out.
It's true, I'm worn out. I didn't do the other side. I gave her a lollipop, she didn't even come to you, Jill. She's doing the cry.
Girl. There you are, Mabel. This looks so much like our kitchen in O'Connor before we had it done. Mabel, it's your birthday, baby. How are you feeling? 13. Mabel, you're 13. What do you think about that? She says, just give me the food. Have you had a nice day today? We've been down to the river and then we went down to the park at the top of the road, didn't we? That's better. I can get a good look at you here.
Mabel has a nice day all the time.
It's so beautiful, Mabel. Have you had a nice day? Oh, it smells good, doesn't it? Yep. Oh, Mabel. Oh, Mabel, special. Oh, look at that. Yum. Look at that. Oh, that was pretty good. They disappeared fast. Maybe you're in luck. Here's another one.
I need to cook with some of
Oh, yum. How delicious is that? Nelly, it's your birthday next. Next month, Nelly's going to turn 12. 12 years old now. Hey? What do you think about that?
Want one, Nelly? Want a bit of phyllo pastry? Keep yourself happy.
Hey, no, here comes up. Oh! I love that phyllo. Yum. Look at this bowl. Yeah, that was terrific. Look at that. Special dinner, Mabel, just for you. Oh, you got two bitsy.